Hi children, today we are going to take a new chapter, chapter number 8, chapter name Kunkuru Wali Game. It's a very interesting story, it's an inspirational story. Take page number 47. रिया का जन्मदिन था। वो बहुत खुश थी। पूरा घर रंग बिरंगे गुब्बारों से सजा था। रिया गुब्बारों को हाथों से छू छू कर बहुत खुश हो रही थी। वह देख जो नहीं सकती थी। So every children are celebrating the birthday धूमधाम से. It means we will decorate the house nicely with the balloons, with the crepe papers, isn't it? The same way, here in this chapter, there is a small girl named Riya. She is also going to celebrate her birthday. Riya का जन्मदिन था. It was Riya's birthday. वो बहुत खुश थी. She was so happy. पूरा घर रंग बिरंगे गुब्बारों से सजा था. The full house was decorated with colorful balloons. रिया गुब्बारों को हाथों को छू छू कर बहुत खुश हो रही थी. She was touching each and every balloon and she felt that happiness. She was so happy. वह देख जो नहीं सकती थी. She could not see. That means she is a blind girl. उस दिन छालर वाली नई फ्रॉक पहनकर रिया एकदम परी की तरह लग रही थी. That day she was wearing a frock with the frills and all. Decorations are there in the frock and it's looking very nice and she is looking perfectly like an angel. So most of the girls when in their young age, when they wear the colorful frilled frocks, they look like an angel, right? The same way Riya also looking very good, like perfectly like an angel. शाम होते ही उसके दोस्त तरह तरह के उपहार लेकर आ धमके. And that evening, all her friends came with the gifts. उसकी सबसे अच्छी दोस्त शीनू फूलों को गुलदस्ता बनाकर लाई, जिसे सूंघते हुए रिया बोली, मुझे फूलों की खुशबू बहुत अच्छी लगती है. उसकी सबसे अच्छी दोस्त शीनू, one of her best friend named Sheenu, brought a bucket of flowers, a bunch of flowers, and she made it. And when she got this bucket, first she smelled it. She can't see the beauty of the flower, but she can smell it. सूंघते हुए, सूंघना means to smell. सूंघते हुए रिया बोली, मुझे फूलों की खुशबू बहुत अच्छी लगती है. I like the smell of flowers. तभी मस्ती करते हुए अमन बोला, and one other friend called Aman, he said, रिया, मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुंकरू वाली गेंद लाया हूँ. And I bought a different type of a ball. A ball is filled with the pearls and kunkuru. Kunkuru means a small pearls inside, beads. And when we shake the ball, we can hear the sound. That is the speciality of that ball. इसे उछालने पर छन छन की आवाज आती है. When we shake the ball, we will get that छन छन sizzling sound. रिया ने उस गेंद को हाथ में लेते हुए कहा, ये तो बहुत अच्छी है. She liked the gift very much. She said, it's very nice gift. अब बारी आई केक काटने की. And the next is the time to cut the cake. रिया ने केक काटा और अपने दोस्तों को खिलाया. I feed the cake to everyone. Gave the cake to everyone. माँ के हाथ की तरह तरह की चीज़ें खाकर बच्चे बहुत खुश हुए. And her mother made different varieties of food and they tasted everything. The children and her friends were very happy. Page number 48. अब सभी दोस्त खेलने के लिए बगीचे में जा पहुँचे. And all of her friends come together to play in the ground, on the ground. सभी बच्चे गुब्बारों को उछाल उछाल कर खेलने का आनंद ले रहे थे. They were playing with the balloons. आनंद ले रहे थे. लेकिन रिया एक तरफ अकेली चुपचाप खड़ी थी. But this Riya, she was stood alone in a corner without talking to anyone. She was not involved in these games. She never felt, because she is blind, how can she play along with these friends? So that's why she was stood on the corner of the ground. एक देखकर रिया की दोस्त शीनू को बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगा. And one of her friends, Sheenu, she didn't felt nice to see she is standing quietly in the side. She is not involving in the games. That's why she felt very sad. जिसका जन्मदिन है वही अकेले उदास खड़ी है. And whose birthday is that day? Riya's, right? So Riya needs to be little more happy that day. But she was silently sitting on the corner of the ground without talking to anyone. She don't have any happiness on her face. That's why Sheenu felt sad. यह सोचते हुए वह कमरे के अंदर से घुंघरू वाली गेंद लाई और बोली, सब इधर आओ, हम सब एक नया खेल खेलेंगे. And Sheenu called everyone and said, she went to the house and take that ball, which one, the beads, which making sound, that ball she took and came and called everybody and said, we are going to play a different game, another game. सब अपने अपने रुमाल से अपनी आंखों पर पट्टी बांधेंगे. And she said, all of you take your kerchief and tie your eye. For what? When we are very child, we will play this game. Kannu ketti kalikka. That's it. The same game. She also interested to do that. And she said, everyone to tie your eyes. फिर यह गेंद एक दूसरे की ओर उछालेंगे. And this next to they will bounce this ball to the another one. They need to catch it. इस गेंद से निकली छन छन की आवाज़ सुनकर इस गेंद को पकड़ेंगे. We can't see the ball, then we only will focus to the sound of the ball. Then only we will get the ball. But they normally, those who can see the things, they are not be expert in hearing the sound. കണ്ണിന് കാഴ്ചയുള്ളവർക്ക് വേറൊരു എല്ലാത്തിലും ഈക്വൽ ഇതായിരിക്കും. കണ്ണുകൊണ്ട് കണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ബോൾ പിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. Those who can't see, അവർക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ലിസൺ, ഇങ്ങനെ കേൾവിശക്തി കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും. The same thing happened here also. This girl Riya has the talent to catch the ball with the help of its sound. और छन छन की आवाज़ सुनकर हम सब गेंद को पकड़ेंगे. सबको यह खेल बड़ा मज़ेदार है. They were interested in this game. The all children were came. They tied their सभी ने अपनी आंखों पर पट्टी बांधी और खेल शुरू हुआ. They started the game. पर क्या छन छन की आवाज़ सुनकर भी गेंद को कोई नहीं पकड़ पा रहा था. And nobody could catch the ball properly, because suddenly when they listening, they forgot to catch the ball. No one get the ball properly. और लेकिन जब रिया की तरफ गेंद आए, नेक्स्ट वाज रिया's turn, तो उसने लपट कर पकड़ ली. लपटना, ही leap and catch the ball on time. So she got the ball. गेंद पकड़ते हुए रिया चिल्लाई. She was screaming with happiness. मैंने गेंद पकड़ ली, catch the ball, मैंने गेंद पकड़ ली. अब जब भी घुंघरू वाली गेंद रिया के पास आ जाती, वह छन छन की आवाज़ सुनकर झट से पकड़ लेती है. Whenever he heard this noise, suddenly he will catch the ball. She was expert in it. रिया को इस खेल में बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा था. She was so happy with this game. She enjoyed a lot. यह देखकर शीनू मन ही मन सोचने लगी, छोटी छोटी बातों का ख्याल रखकर हम दूसरों को बड़ी बड़ी खुशियाँ दे सकते हैं. What is that? Even our smallest effort can be the cause of happiness and joy in other people's lives. If we are thinking like that, if we are thinking in other side, definitely we can give happiness to others. Don't be always thinking don't be selfish. We are always thinking about our happiness. We need to think about others' happiness too. This is a wonderful story. In between, that's why I didn't give any notes or any meanings, because it's an interesting story. I don't want to miss that interest. That's why. Now we can see the meanings of this chapter. So all of you listen, underline the word and write the meaning on the top with a pencil. First word, Guldasta. Guldasta. Guldasta means bunch of flowers. Bunch of flowers. Bunch of flowers. Guldasta, bunch of flowers. Khushbu, what's the meaning? Khushbu, fragrance. Khushbu, fragrance. Bagija, बगीचा क्या है? बगीचा गार्डन. Bagija garden. And then chupchap. Chupchap, quietly or silent. Quietly or silently. Silently. Quietly or silently. Chupchap. Anand. Anand, to enjoy. To enjoy. Khayal. Khayal, to keep in mind or to pay attention. Keep in mind. To keep in mind. To keep in mind. Mazedar. Mazedar, interesting. Interesting. These are the words which is given in the back side of your textbook. Anyway children, I hope you all enjoyed the story. You understood it. Read the chapter at least 2 times daily. Thank you. Have a nice day.